Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into a comparison between n8n and Dify. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into a comparison between n8n versus Dify. So which automation tool is better? Let's look into the video. So firstly n8n. So n8n, as you may know, is an open source general workflow automation tool. It is quite flexible. It supports like many integrations and it allows like custom code, and it's strong for orchestrating processes across services. And some of its strength includes n8n. It's actually generally it's good, and there are hundreds of nodes for many services, and as mentioned it allows like custom code. The only issue is that it has a steeper learning curve, so if you're like non-technical, it might be a bit of difficult for you to initially to get into n8n. Okay. Dify. So Dify is actually a more recent, and it focused on building like AI and LLM powered applications like chatbots, question and answer system, and those type of things. It provides like visual flow. It provides visual flow, prompts management, and everything. It's actually when you some of its strength is that you can integrate AI, like you can call like LLMs via API, do custom logics and all those things. But the issue is that because AI isn't a core thing, so you may need more setup and configurations in order to use it. So which tool is better? It depends on the scenario. So if you need to automate a variety of business processes across like SAP apps like CRM, email, calendar, those things, then n8n would be a better option. But if you want to build like a system or any other LLMs or AI powered tool quickly with like minimal coding, then Dify would be the ideal option in that instance. So my view is that if I picking a default, unless I needed heavy AI or LLM features right away, I would lean towards more on this n8n for its flexibility and broader application. But if my priority was like speed up of building AI apps and prototypes, then I had like less technical knowledge, then I would choose Dify.